Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited that you are here. As you can tell by the title, we're doing an unboxing of my Bloomingdales and Dior goodies. So I received this in the mail complimentary of Bloomingdales and Dior. And inside it had a bunch of little goodies from the Dior line. So the first thing they had is the Rouge Dior Parfum, which they describe it as a sweet floral. If you know anything about Dior, it's like a finely crafted, it has yingling in it, a little bit of Turkish rose and jasmine. So it's a really floral classic scent. Had that one. It also had the Miss Dior, which this one is described as a fruity floral. The notes inside of here are going to be velvet rose, so another rose scent, and it says it has a little bit of a floral. It just says sensual, and I think it has a little bit of a citrus in it as well. Cute. Then next was Sauvage De Parfum. I believe this is a male fragrance. I'm not exactly sure. I'll have a little bit more information on that. But this one it's described as powerful freshness, exudes mystery and a sensual facet, spicy and juicy bergamot. It has woodsy and a little bit of vanilla absolute. Yeah, this is a men's fragrance, but it does smell good. The next was the Dior Super Potent Serum. This helps with fine lines, wrinkles, and just smoothing out the complexion. It's really cool because inside is a week trial. So I'm gonna be trying this with my skincare regimen for the week. A little note, when you have these little satchels, if you just take a pin and just poke a little hole in there, you can just squeeze some out instead of totally ripping the entire packet, and you can kind of save a little bit of it. And then lastly was a sample of 4 different lipstick colors, which actually came with like a little lipstick brush. You can see that. The little brush is so cute. I'm wearing the Forever Grace right now, which is a mauve pink, and they are all matte shades. So today I'm gonna wear the Miss Dior and kind of see how it wears on me, let you know the longevity of it. And what I like about these little samples is you get to try before you buy. Instead of like buying something huge and committing to it, you can just try a little bit of this and see how you like it before you commit totally to it. I like it. I can definitely smell the citrus in it. I'm gonna try that. Now, for anybody that wants to know how do you get these little samples, I have a little trick. So what you do is you go to the retailers. Okay, so what you do is you go to their Instagram. You'll go to like Bloomingdale's Instagram. You'll go to Neiman Marcus. You'll go to any of those Instagram accounts and their Facebook account. You'll like the page. You'll comment on the different pictures, and you'll do that for about a week. And then a week later, you'll start getting sponsored ads asking if you would like to try a complimentary sample. And I'm pretty sure that's how I got this one, because that's what I did. I went on to Bloomingdale's and I liked a bunch of their pictures. I commented on a bunch of their pictures as well. And then I got a sponsored ad saying, would I like to try, I can't remember which one it was, but some Dior fragrance. I think it was actually J'adore. Would you like to try the J'adore? And I was like, yes, most definitely I'd like to try the J'adore. And I signed up for it, and they actually sent me this whole box of all of these little goodies to try. So that's really exciting. And what was cool about it is I wanted to try the J'adore, but ended up trying, you know, getting all of these other fragrances, and I'm really wearing the Miss Dior today to see how that wears. So if you like these little unboxing of these little short videos, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, where I'll be recapping about how the serum is working with my skincare regimen and how the lipstick is lasting throughout the day. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.